Today's video is, Lori Loud smashes the refrigerator with a baseball bat / grounded.
Hi, I'm Lori, and today, I'm going to smash this refrigerator with a baseball bat, so, here I go. Yeah 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 yeah. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat.
Oh my gosh, what was that noise?
Lori, what did you just do to the refrigerator?
Enough of your eyes. This refrigerator costed $700, and now we need to get another one because of you. That's it, you are grounded for eternity.
March upstairs to your room now and think about what you have done.
Okay guys, if you say so.